Bismillah, Alhamdulillah. Hello, my precious children. How are you all? Hope you all enjoy your holiday. This is another mathematics class from Sitwa International School, Ibadan, Oyo State, week 7, lesson 2, presented by Mrs. Adeleke A.B. We want to proceed from where we stopped in the last lesson. In the last class, we are able to look at volume of a cube, the formula for calculating volume of a cube, objects in form of a cube, and we worked examples on how to calculate volume of a cube. So today's topic is volume of a cuboid. What is a cuboid? A cuboid is a three-dimensional shape which has 6 rectangular faces at right angle to each other. This is the picture of a cuboid. A cuboid is a three-dimensional shape which has 6 rectangular faces at each right angle to each other. Objects in the form of a cuboid are book, refrigerator, mattresses, box, brick. These are the examples of objects in the form of a cuboid. These are the objects in the form of a cuboid. As we can see from the picture, these are the objects in the form of a cuboid. These are the objects in the form of a cuboid. So let us look at the formulas for calculating volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid, as we can see from the picture, is equal to length times breadth times height, or length times width times height, as we can see from the picture. So we can also be asked to calculate the length or breadth or height. We are asked to calculate the length. Length is equal to volume divided by breadth times height. Breadth is equal to volume divided by length times height. Height is equal to volume divided by length times breadth. So let's look at the examples. Example 1. A box is 21 cm long, 8 cm wide, and 5 cm high. This is a box that looks like a cuboid. The length is 21 cm. The breadth is 8 cm, while the height is 5 cm. We have to calculate its volume. Find its volume. Solution. Length of the box given to us is 21 cm. Breadth of the box given to us is 8 cm, while the height of the box is 5 cm. So volume of the box, which look like a cuboid, is equal to length times breadth times height. So the volume will be 21 times 8 times 5, and that is 840 centimeter cube. Question number 2. The length of a rectangular block is 16 centimeter, its breadth is 10 centimeter, and its height is 5 centimeter. Find the volume of the block. The length of a rectangular block is 16 centimeter, its breadth is 10 centimeter, and height is 5 centimeter. Find the volume of the block. So the length of the block given to us is 16 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter, height is equal to 5 centimeter. So the volume of the rectangular block now is equal to length times breadth times height, and that is 16 times 10 times 5. That is 800 centimeter cube. Number 3. Calculate the volume of a box which is 2.5 meters long, 6.2 meters wide, and 2.4 meters high. The question again. Calculate the volume of a box which is 2.5 meters long, 6.2 meters wide, and 2.4 meters high. Solution. What are we given? We are given length to be equal to 2.5 meter, breadth to be equal to 6.2 meter, and height to be equal to 2.4 meter. We have to calculate the volume of the box. Volume is equal to length times breadth times height, and that is 2.5 times 6.2 times 2.4. That is 25 all over 10. You change 2.5 to fraction, 25 over 10. 6.2 to fraction, 62 over 10. 2.4 to fraction, 24 all over 10. So we have 25 over 10 multiplied by 62 over 10 multiplied by 24 over 10. 25 times 62 times 24 will give us 37,200. 10 times 10 times 10 will give us 1,000. When we divide, we are going to get 37.2 meter cube as the volume of the box. Question number 4. A rectangular tank is 3/0 number 1 over 2 centimeter long, 1/0 number 1 over 3 centimeter wide, and 2/0 number 1 over 4 centimeter high. Calculate the volume of the tank. What are we given? We are given length to be 3/0 number 1 over 2 centimeter, breadth to be 1/0 number 1 over 3 centimeter, and height to be 2/0 number 1 over 4 centimeter. So we have to calculate the volume of the tank. So the volume of the tank will be length times breadth times height. The length given to us is 3.5 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 1/0 number 1 over 3 centimeter, and height is equal to 2/0 number 1 over 4 centimeter. When you change 3.5 to improper fraction, that is 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7 all over 2 times 1 times, change 1/0 number 1 over 3 to improper fraction. 1 times 3, 3 plus 1, 4 all over 3. 2/0 number 1 over 4 to improper fraction. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9 all over 4 centimeter. So when you multiply and you divide, you are going to get the volume to be 10/0 number 1 all over 2 centimeter. So this is where we are going to stop for lesson 2, week 7. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.